Alright, so I just wanted to show you something real quick. I've got a very simple circuit here testing the, trying to test the inductance. So I got channel 1 on the signal generator, which is the yellow one. I got the coil hooked to the signal generator. The other side of that is hooked to a resistor. That's on channel 2, so I'm measuring channel 2 across that resistor to ground. I'm trying to do inductance calculations. Yesterday with the charge time calculations, we got 45,000 inductance. Yeah, no good, I don't think. And today we got between 3, 4, and 12, depending on which section of what. So anyway, while doing this testing, I was going to demonstrate to you that this coil has been ringing, which I believe to be its self-resonant frequency, which may or may not be true, at about 118 hertz. I've seen it many times on the scope shots. Hi Charlie, I'll feed you later. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is sweep through here with that with what I got set up right there, and then we're going to watch this flip phases. So if, for instance, I scroll down, it's not easy to see, but it's moving this way. And if I scroll up in frequency, you can see it flips. So now it's leading, right? And I'm at 132 hertz. So we're leading, the coil is leading, and right at about that 117, 118, which is what I see the ring at, it's flatlined. And so now we're lagging. Well, the coil is actually leading now, if I got that right. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that you can flip the phase like that. It's independent of the resistor. Just to show you that, I'm going to actually put in a 20K resistor. So right now I have a very high value 2 mega ohm resistor. Now I'm going to put a 20K and I'll show you the exact same result. Now there is a 20K ohm precision resistor in there. It's spot on. Alright, and now we're going to do basically the exact same thing. Let that focus. There you go. Oh, I have to, that's the difference. I now have to crank this guy way up. We're right at the flat line there. My knob on my signal generator flickers the wrong way sometimes. So here we're at a different, lower frequency than earlier. But the result is that the phase change still happens basically in the same spot. That's doing averages, by the way, so it's kind of delayed slightly, but the reason is because it's averaging. So there it is. Flips on over to the other side. Anyway, I just wanted to document that because that's actually an important piece of understanding this coil, and that is when you plug voltage into this coil and you let it ring, it rings exactly at 118, 119, 116 hertz. Depending on if there's any extra capacitance around it, it changes slightly. So now I guess we'll set the magnet next to it and just see if that changes it, and I'll let you know on the forums or something if it does, but I don't think it will, because it rings with it there or not, it's the same thing. Bye, Charlie.